Hi, I'm a virtual human created by Ziva Dynamics. I'm powered by state-of-the-art biomechanical simulation, and I'm running in real time in Unity. But enough about me. I have some even more amazing news to share with you today. I'm excited to announce that today, Ziva, my creators, are now part of the Unity family. Unity and Ziva have a shared vision of making realistic, lifelike character creation accessible and scalable for all artists, regardless of skill level. And it's not just for virtual humans like me, but for any kind of creature, monster, or animal imaginable, realistic or stylized. Ziva's leadership in character simulation, deformation, and machine learning, along with Unity's deep knowledge of real-time technology, makes this an effortless and powerful partnership. As we grow together, Unity and Ziva will continue serving the many innovative teams, creators, and engines that use our technology. By acquiring Ziva, Unity will further democratize Ziva's best-in-class tools to allow artists like you to create digital characters like me. We want to thank you for all of your support over the past 7 years. Ziva has learned so much, and we couldn't have done any of it without your passion and dedication to incredible digital art. It's been a whirlwind journey, but I'm certain it's just the start.